Would you believe me if I told you that a few simple items from Dollar Tree could completely transform your garden without breaking your back or your budget? No fancy tools, no complicated instructions, just 15 beautiful, affordable garden decor ideas you can try today, no matter your age, space, or skill level. Welcome friends to Timeless Gardening, a channel created with you in mind. Whether you're in your golden years or just enjoy the gentle rhythm of gardening, this is your place for calm, creative, and classy outdoor inspiration. Today we're focusing on Dollar Tree summer ideas that are not only beautiful but also practical, easy on the hands, and friendly to fixed incomes. So grab a cool drink, find a comfy seat on your porch or in your favorite chair, and let's walk through 15 Dollar Tree garden decor ideas that are gentle on the body, warm on the heart, and lovely to look at. And if this is your kind of video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Timeless Gardening, and click the bell icon so you never miss a fresh idea to make your space more beautiful. Idea number 1. Faux ceramic planters with spray paint. Let's begin with something simple but stunning, turning plain plastic planters into faux ceramic pots with just a little spray paint. Dollar Tree sells those basic black or terracotta colored plastic planters. They may not look like much at first, but with a coat of soft matte spray paint, they suddenly feel elegant and high-end. Choose colors like soft ivory, warm gray, or even a stone-textured finish for that pottery look without the weight. These are especially great for porches and balconies because they're lightweight, easy to move, and gentle on aging hands. Top it off with a favorite plant, real or faux, and set it near a doorway, stair step, or window box for an instant upgrade. A few minutes, a couple of dollars, and your garden already looks more refined. Idea number 2. Rope-wrapped buckets. Let's move on to something rustic and charming. Rope-wrapped buckets. Head to the floral or cleaning aisle in Dollar Tree and grab a few of their metal or plastic buckets. They're the perfect shape for planters, but we're gonna dress them up with just one material, jute rope. Starting at the bottom, wrap the rope tightly around the bucket, adding a few dabs of glue as you go. If you prefer not to use a glue gun, Dollar Tree's craft glue works just fine. Just give it a little extra time to dry. Once it's fully wrapped, you've got a beautiful farmhouse-style planter that's lightweight, affordable, and incredibly stylish. Add some basil, a trailing plant, or even faux lavender, and you've got a porch accent that looks like it came from a boutique, not the dollar aisle. Idea number 3. Hanging basket trio. Now if you're short on space but still want that lush garden feel, this next idea is for you. A hanging basket trio made with Dollar Tree wire baskets. Pick up 3 of their wire hanging baskets, plus some chain links or strong zip ties. Connect the baskets vertically, one above the other, creating a small vertical tower. Line each basket with coconut liner, a small cloth napkin, or even a coffee filter to help hold in the soil. Then fill them with lightweight plants like petunias, ivy, or faux flowers if you prefer zero maintenance. Hang it from a porch beam, shepherd's hook, or a sturdy plant stand, and you've instantly added beauty upward instead of outward. It's simple, stylish, and a perfect way to bring greenery into smaller patios or balconies without bending down or digging in the dirt. Idea number 4. Over-the-door herb garden. Here's a clever way to grow herbs without taking up any floor space. An over-the-door shoe organizer turned vertical herb garden. Pick up one of those fabric or plastic organizers from Dollar Tree, the kind with pockets. Hang it on a fence, railing, or even a shed door using strong hooks or nails. Fill each pocket with potting mix and plant herbs like mint, basil, parsley, or chives. For drainage, poke a few small holes in the bottom of each pocket before planting. It's a vertical setup that keeps everything within easy reach, no bending or kneeling required. Plus it's great for seniors who want to garden while seated or standing, and there's nothing like snipping your own herbs right outside the kitchen door. Idea number 5. Solar light flower pots. Let's brighten things up a bit with solar light flower pots. Dollar Tree's solar stake lights are one of the best bargains in the store. They're lightweight, cordless, and turn on automatically when the sun goes down. Take one of these lights and place it right in the center of a planter, either one filled with real blooms or even faux flowers for zero maintenance. Tuck the stake deep enough into the soil to keep it steady, and you've got a softly glowing centerpiece that adds elegance to your porch or walkway at night. No wiring, no electricity, just the sun doing all the work. It's a small touch, but one that makes your garden feel peaceful, cozy, and beautifully lit, especially for evening tea or a quiet chat outside. Idea number 6. Faux lantern centerpieces. There's something timeless about lanterns, and with a few simple items from Dollar Tree, you can create elegant flameless versions perfect for outdoor tables. Start with a small glass vase or candle holder. Drop in one of Dollar Tree's LED tea lights or flameless votives. No open flame, no fire risk, just a warm flickering glow. You can add decorative pebbles, faux moss or a few silk flowers around the base to give it that charming garden feel. Line them up on your porch rail, patio table or stairs for a soft glow that feels safe, cozy and welcoming. It's perfect for senior-friendly spaces. No matches, no mess, just beautiful light at the push of a button. Idea number 7. Pebble Tray Centerpiece. Sometimes the simplest touches bring the most elegance, like this pebble tray centerpiece that adds texture and calm to any table. Start with a shallow tray or baking pan from Dollar Tree. Pour in a layer of decorative river rocks or glass pebbles. They come in all kinds of colors and finishes. Next, place a few small items on top, maybe a faux succulent, a flameless candle, or a small figurine that makes you smile. You can match it to your garden's colors or keep it neutral for that spa-like feel. It's a no-fuss decoration that's lightweight, easy to clean, and adds a peaceful focal point to your outdoor space. Perfect for coffee, conversation, or simply enjoying the view. Idea number 8. Painted garden gnomes, or animals. Let's bring a little personality to the garden without the clutter. Dollar Tree's small statues and gnomes can look surprisingly elegant with just a bit of paint. Pick up a few figurines, maybe a gnome, a bunny, or a little bird, and give them a makeover using soft white, sage green, or matte gold spray paint. Stick with one color tone to keep things classy and cohesive. Once they're dry, tuck them near flower pots. Line a step or place them in a bed of mulch or pebbles. The new paint tones down the cartoon look and gives you something that feels modern, clean, and artistic. It's a fun little project and the result feels far more expensive than it really is. Idea number 9. DIY watering can from juice bottle. Watering your plants shouldn't be a chore, and with this simple DIY it becomes light, easy, and even a little fun. Take an empty plastic juice bottle, something with a sturdy cap, clean it out, then use a nail or skewer to poke several small holes into the cap. Fill the bottle with water, screw the cap back on, and you've got yourself a gentle watering can. Perfect for herbs, hanging baskets, or delicate blooms. It's lightweight, easy to hold, and especially helpful for those with arthritis or reduced grip strength. And the best part, it's free, it's upcycled, and it works beautifully. Idea number 10. Faux flower wall frame. Here's a beautiful way to add color and life: a plain fence, wall, or balcony rail. No watering required. Start with a simple picture frame from Dollar Tree. Remove the glass and backing so you're left with just the frame itself. Using floral foam or sturdy cardboard as your base. Hot glue or tape on a selection of faux flowers. Choose blooms in soft pastels, summer brights, or whatever suits your space. Once you're done, attach the frame to your outdoor wall with a hook, nail, or even zip ties. It creates a burst of garden color wherever you need it, and it'll stay beautiful all season long. No sun, no soil, no stress. Idea number 11. Simple trellis wall for vines. If you have a blank wall or fence that needs a little charm, a simple trellis made with Dollar Tree fencing can add just the right touch. Pick up a few sections of their plastic garden fence or wire panels. Stand them vertically or horizontally, depending on your space, and secure them with zip ties, garden hooks, or nails. Then either plant lightweight vines like morning glory nearby, or weave in faux greenery for a zero-maintenance option. The trellis adds height, interest, and that cottage garden feel, even in the smallest spaces. And the best part, no heavy lifting, no tools required, and no need to dig a single hole. Idea number 12. Utensil or tool holder with buckets. Let's make gardening a little more organized, especially when it comes to those small tools, gloves, and seed packets. Head to the Dollar Tree party aisle and grab a few small metal or plastic buckets. Choose matching colors or mix and match for a cheerful look. Line them up in a shallow tray, crate, or even a small basket. Label each one for tools, twine, seeds, or gloves. You can use sticker labels, paint pens, or even simple masking tape. Now, instead of hunting around for scissors or your trowel, everything has its place, and it's easy to carry indoors and out. It's practical, tidy, and adds just the right touch of charm to your gardening routine. Idea number 13. Cushion covers with scarves. Changing up your outdoor look doesn't have to mean buying new cushions. With this simple scarf trick, you can refresh your patio in minutes. Pick up a few lightweight scarves from Dollar Tree, floral, striped, or solid colors, whatever suits your garden style. Wrap each scarf around a small outdoor cushion like you're wrapping a present. Fold the ends neatly and tie or pin them at the back. It's no sew, no fuss, and you can swap them out anytime for a new look, just like changing your outfit. It's a gentle way to bring seasonal color and comfort to your chairs or bench, without spending more than a few dollars. Idea number 14. Outdoor reed diffuser with skewers. If you enjoy sitting outside in the fresh air, why not add a gentle fragrance to the breeze without any cords or open flames? This easy DIY uses a glass jar, some water, a splash of rubbing alcohol, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil like lavender, eucalyptus, or citronella to help keep bugs away. Place a handful of bamboo skewers, cut down if needed, into the jar. They'll soak up the scented mixture and slowly release it into the air. It's a safe, flameless way to freshen your patio or porch, perfect for seniors who want a touch of aromatherapy outdoors, without candles or sprays. And the setup is just as pretty as it is practical. Idea number 15. Tabletop garden tray display. Let's end with a simple but lovely idea that brings everything together: a tabletop garden tray. Start with a cookie sheet, shallow basket, or decorative tray from DollarTree. Layer in a few small planters, faux succulents, a flameless candle, or even a favorite figurine. Add pebbles or moss to fill in the spaces and bring that garden texture to life. Place it on your patio table, side bench, or even your windows. It becomes an instant centerpiece, personal, peaceful, and easy to rearrange anytime. It's a gentle way to express your style without lifting heavy pots or working in the soil, and it brings beauty right to where you sit and relax. And there you have it, 15 easy, budget-friendly DollarTree ideas to bring beauty, comfort, and a touch of elegance to your summer garden space. From faux ceramic planters and solar lights to vertical herb gardens, rope-wrapped buckets, and soft scarf cushion covers, each idea was made to be simple, affordable, and gentle enough for any age or ability. The goal here at Timeless Gardening is to remind you that you don't need to spend a lot or work too hard to create something lovely. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and click the bell, so you'll be the first to know when our next garden inspiration video goes live. And if you try any of these ideas, we'd love to see them. Leave a comment or share a photo with us over on Facebook or Instagram. Just search Timeless Gardening. Thank you for spending this peaceful hour with me. Until next time, stay well, stay creative, and as always, keep your garden timeless.